Hi, welcome to Tell a Friend, and today we're at a cafe where we can paint. Got everything you need. Isn't this adorable? I never saw a thick brush. I never saw a tiny canvas. A tiny canvas. Oh, girl. Look at those macaroons. Look at that cookie. Those look so good. Look at that drink. We're gonna put the passion fruit egg inside our drink. Me too. Me too. Don't love it. We're gonna eat our cake first, and then we're gonna paint. So yummy. I don't know what it is. I don't know how I did it. We're done painting, and this cafe was a very fun cafe, and we're going to go home now and eat dinner. But first, we have to wash our hands. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!